Hey HayStayers, I'm Carrie, and I'm here today to show you how to put your completed HayStay together using all the parts that come in your box. The first thing you're going to do is get your parts out of your box, set it up like this for ease of assembly. It'll also give you a chance to get a feel of the parts you're going to be working with. It'll help keep your parts from going on backwards. The hardware that's going to be included in your box comes with 6 medium screws, 3 in which I put here at the top, the other 3 toward the back. You'll have 3 short screws, 2 are preset at the end of your side rails. This one is going to be set for your center stay bar. And then you've got 2 hairpins. Each of these hairpins are going to be for your axle rod. And then you have your working tool, which is your Allen wrench. Let's get started in putting your HayStay together. That's it. Thank you for watching on how to put your HayStay together. For more information about how your HayStay can help you around your home and barn, check out your box. Also subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube pages to learn more about the information and tips, and be sure to hit that like button. Thank you for watching.